Okay, I'm going to try to fold this, give you an example of how to fold the shield. I'm not sure if I got my camera set up just right and the lighting's not very good, so I'm going to do my best. But I'm looking for the long curved light score in the shield. This piece of mylar has a kind of a natural curvature because it came off a tight spool, so I'm going to do that to the inside. Then I'm going to find this line and I'm just going to pinch around that line. So I may not do the best job here because the lighting is so bad. I have a lot of LED lights in my garage, but unfortunately they result in lines on my phone camera. So I'm just trying to, with my thumb and forefinger, walking around that curve. So I do the big curve first, and then I'm going to do the small curve, and I'm going to do the small curve in the opposite direction. So it's a little tighter radius, so I kind of use my thumbnail here to get that started. Make sure I keep this in the... I'm just kind of almost working around just to get that first bit of crease. This piece of plastic is one of our earlier prototypes where we were doing a little deeper score with the laser, and we were finding that we were getting a few cracks. So once you've gone around that once, then you can kind of do like you did the other one and just pinch it around in a circle. And the tightness of this bend kind of determines how close the shield is to your face and stuff like that. And stuff like that, like how close it is to your face and how sloped the front brim is. So the wearer can adjust this if they need to, but I'm just going to kind of quickly do this for now. So now you have the shape of the shield. Second thing you want to do is you find these straight lines and turn back the side wings. And they go pretty quick and easy. You want to do the long curve before we do the top curve, because the top curve can kind of get in the way of this long curve. And I'm talking about the top curve being this one right here, this little flange. So that bends down. Now you have the tab and the slot. Start by getting one side of the tab completely in the slot and pop the other side over like that. So there you basically have the shield. You just have to do the other side. And depending upon how tight you do this bend here determines how close the side of the shield is to your face. So that can be somewhat user preference, you know, from all the way to touching your face to, you know, some airspace. If the shield is very close to your face, fogging might be a little more of an issue. But, and there you have it. So next, just thread the headband material around here, slide the little tube up, and you have your completed head shield. I hope that was in the camera view. And so you can always adjust these lines to make them a little smoother. Again, my lighting here is so terrible and I don't see the best in low light. Okay, thanks.